Hi, Ruby. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Hey, I'm delivering on the screencast that I had promised you from that Facebook interaction. And basically, had taken a look at everything and looking at the top three things that you can do to improve your rankings. In particular, you had asked about ranking for your new cleaning website. But man, I got to tell you right off the bat, I look at a lot of websites every day. Um, Whatever you guys are doing with these websites, I don't know if you're doing it yourself or not, but some of the best stuff I've seen in a review in quite some time. So let's get started here. This is obviously your website for the new cleaning business. I'm not sure how clean you got, some pretty good numbers. We'll go through that here in a minute. I like the layout. So the first thing I'm going to talk about out of the three is content. So you've got a good amount of content on here. Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on your homepage. I ran this through the word counter. You're at 966 words on this website. So one thing that I would suggest is you throw up another 6, 7, 800 words. It can be in the form of just more explanation on individual services. So in other words, you can, the face page isn't reading, Google is not reading anything beyond this face here. So if we broke these out, learn more, and you simply have those three areas right there, or you could even do it for these 6 areas of service, then that would increase you over 1,500 words, and that would be really, really good to give you a little bit more power. Love this team picture. The other thing that I feel like you guys are cognizant of is one of the things about content is if I right click and I save image as, you're not able to see it up here. I wonder if I can stretch that out a little bit. When you save these images, this one says team-2048 by 1366. Obviously, it's the size. Most of your images actually are labeled very close to what they need to be. That's another thing with content, that you can go ahead and go through every one of these pictures and look and see what. So this is Khazai Rug Cleaning Services, and it has some code. So that's good. We need to take the code out and use keywords for every one of these images throughout the website. Love the images. This is great in here. And then you've also broken up the stores. So this is the cleaning website. What I did is I went ahead and did a Google search for Oriental Rug Cleaning Lexington. Then I also did Louisville, but let's start with Lexington. First thing that comes up here, it's interesting, there's no ads, which I find that interesting. Usually there's ads above the map pack. This is called the map pack. Obviously you guys are right in here. So it looks like you have added the cleaning services and the website for cleaning into your GMB. I think that's the best way to go. I know you had mentioned that you wanted to possibly just do a service area for this, but the way you have this hooked up, Google is recognizing obviously that Oriental Rug Cleaning Lexington, Kentucky is right in there. You can even do, I think it's the same if we do just rug cleaning. So rug cleaning, you're not in there. And that's probably a good thing because you specialize in Oriental rug cleaning. Okay, so with that said, this GMB is very, very strong. You've got a great description. So your GMB, as you're probably well aware, is a very powerful thing. It can get you ranked in the top 3 in the map pack, even without having a website, believe it or not. I've seen that happen quite a bit. You have 77 Google reviews, 5.0. Incredible. You guys are doing all the right things. All this information is really good. You added the cleaning site here. And then check this out. Under search results right down here, it's this blog post that somebody did which is this one right here. So that's actually ranking on its own right here under search results. If we keep going, you've got products, love this, got Q&A, then your reviews, and then most importantly right here, you can probably tweak this a little bit more. You actually have 750 characters that you can use in this business description. I would suggest that you maximize and do as many characters as you can. You've got great keywords here: rug repair, rug cleaning services, Louisville. I would put Lexington in here too. It's in here, Lexington store. So maybe look at what kind of keywords you could put in particular in this section right here. It does say Kentucky, Louisville, and Kentucky. So look at that. It's incredible though what you've done here. It really is. So I went ahead and stuck the cleaning site. So I took this site. There's your main site. I took the cleaning site, copied and pasted into Ahrefs. You guys may know about Ahrefs and what it does. It looks at all of the information. So I brought up both the cleaning and the regular site. You said you wanted to rank more for the cleaning. So let's look at that in particular. You're actually doing very well with your cleaning site. When we look down here for position, this literally shows you all of these positions ending here. So all of these keywords from here up, you are ranking on the first page in Google for organic search for all of these terms. Okay, we've got Louisville, we got Lexington on here, we've got Lexington, Louisville. So those are all good. From there, they kind of drop down a little bit. 9 position, moths eating wool rug. And you can see your position here. Also can see your traffic to your website. So your traffic, you're getting about 10 customers a month, it looks like, from these top 3 right here. You could improve on that, but you guys are in a very good position. We could definitely bring it up. So let's take a look at competition a little bit. When we do the Google search and also look here, I'm sorry I'm running a little long on this guy, but you've got a very interesting business here, and a lot of respect for how long you've been in it. So you're number 7 under the Google organic search for Oriental Rug Cleaning Lexington. You're in the number 2 position, as we talked about, for the Google Map Pack. So I think that is all good. This is I apologize. This is the cleaning site right here. So you're still in the top 10, first page, for all of these on cleaning. Excellent volume. You can see the volume here. And then the KD is actually keyword difficulty. You can see that you could definitely bring up your rankings, especially all of these that are 0 to 3 right here. So all of this right here, here's your search volume by month. Here's your KDs. So you've got really low KDs. I would push all of these more on your page, and that will bring you up. Add some content, bring those up. So that's content. These are the backlinks. If we go to your overview here, all of this looks good. You're getting almost 700,000 backlinks from these referring domains with 200 keywords. So I can go through and take a look. This is incredible power coming obviously from the home site because you're linked to it. Then we got Rug Culture, got a coupon, Blogspot, Cleaning Kentucky. That's not showing up right now. Anyway, all of these organic search traffic, all this looks really good. And of course, that many keywords or backlinks helps to drive your power. The main website looks really, really good as far as its power. So, and then the keywords also, again, you can see your position for these keywords on the cleaning site. So guys, that's content, backlinks, and then I talked about citations briefly. That's the third thing. This is your first best citation. So a citation is your name, address, phone number, everywhere that it appears online. And when you open this up and you actually look at this address right here, so this exact formatting that is in your Google My Business account, this exact formatting needs to be used anywhere else that you put your name, address, phone number out there. And I'd suggest that you put stuff out there in directories, etc., etc. But using this specifically will get your citations viewed online. So hope this was helpful. You guys are in a really good position. If you'd like some help, I can help you. Otherwise, keep on doing what you're doing, because you've been very effective in your approach and your knowledge of what's going on with your sites. Again, Troy Brown with TLC Web Marketing. If you'd like to have a discussion, 720-561-1800. Thank you.